This space was definitely what we wanted to do in terms of giving an experiential experience to people. Shopping online is just not the same. A lot of people are like, I want to smell your candles and all that. We actually started with a small space back in Vulcan Road. It's the same kind of concept where we would make our candles there and had a dedicated space in front for customers to walk in or pick up their orders. There's a story behind it because I think we've gone from like mass industrialization back to the smaller players are coming back and putting their heart and soul into their products. Actually, to be honest, we are bringing in like machines as well. But having said that, it's not like we're losing the essence of like hand pour and all. It just helps us to cope with the demand as well, especially during Christmas. So we are still forced to bring in things that can be more efficient to our process. Part machine, part people. But the machine is still operated by the people. It's still very manual. Like we don't have a conveyor belt running around. Question that we always get is there's so many other candle brands in the market now. What makes Lilin+Co? And I would always say that we just focus on what we do best from day one, which is quality products at an affordable price. That has led us to where we are today, and we're going to continue doing that as well. The other candle makers, I think it's good that people have found something to do during the pandemic. Whether they survive long term or not, then that's a different story also. Because I think everyone can start a business, but not everyone can sustain a business. As much as we think that a lot of people know us, I still come across people who don't know us or who's never heard of us. So I take that as a challenge to like, okay, I'm gonna make sure everyone knows us, that kind of thing. And I want to be the leading number one in Malaysia.